Listen up. The entire financial system is designed to keep you broke. Banks get rich off your debt, corporations profit from your impulse buying, and the government? They love when you stay an employee paying maximum taxes. But here's what nobody tells you. I'm Professor Chalkman, and I'm here to teach you the brutal truth about money. No sugarcoating, no feel-good nonsense. Just raw financial facts that'll either wake you up or make you hit the back button. Before we dive into these 10 wealth killers, subscribe right now. Why? Because I'm about to expose the exact traps keeping 80% of people financially stuck, and you need to see all of this. Number 1, stop spending money you don't have. The 3 C's are destroying your wealth: cars, credit cards, and lines of credit. You walk into a car dealership thinking, can I afford $600 a month? Wrong question. That car is a liability. It's losing value every single day you own it. In 5 years, it's worth half what you paid. You're paying interest on something that's dying in your driveway. Here's what you do instead. Buy it with cash. Can't afford cash? Then you can't afford the car. Downsize. Drive something reliable but humble. Save that monthly payment for investments. The average person has $6,500 in credit card debt at 25% interest. Make minimum payments? You'll pay $155,000 in interest to clear $6,500. That's insane. But flip it around. Invest that $6,500 at 25% returns for 30 years. You'd have over $5 million. The same rate that's bankrupting you could make you wealthy. The lines of credit actually means borrowing from your future self. You take next year's income to pay for this year's vacation. The trip to Cancun lasts 1 week. The debt, that lasts years. Stop financing your lifestyle. Save first, then spend. Number 2, stop being just a consumer. Our education system teaches us one thing: work for someone else and buy stuff. That's it. In the world's economy, you have 3 groups: consumers who spend money, investors who collect money, and entrepreneurs who also collect money. Guess which group stays broke? The consumers. Every dollar you spend flows up to investors and business owners. You're literally funding their wealth while staying broke yourself. You don't need to start a business, but you must become an investor. Doctors, NBA players, celebrities, they all make huge salaries. But when they stop working, the money stops. Investors, their money works while they sleep. If this is hitting you hard, smash that like button. Share this reality check with someone who needs to hear it. Number 3, stop relying on the government. Social Security is broke. The funds are running out. The money you're paying in today, it's funding someone else's retirement, not yours. Even if they fix it, you think the government cares about your retirement dreams? They want you dependent, not wealthy. Here's the harsh truth. You are responsible for your financial future. Not your employer, not the government, not anyone else. Build your own wealth or spend your golden years broke. Social Security should be the cherry on top, not the entire sundae. Number 4, stop settling. If you live in America, the greatest wealth-building machine in human history, you have access to stock markets that other people don't in other countries. They don't let you start businesses freely. They don't reward innovation. People risk their lives to get here for opportunities you take for granted. I have friends who said at 25, I'm too deep in my engineering career to change. Now they're 35, more miserable, and deeper in the trap. It's never too late. Whether you're 25 or 55, you can change your financial destiny. But you have to stop being comfortable with mediocrity. Immigrants come here with nothing and build empires. You were born here with advantages they'd kill for. What's your excuse? Number 5, stop hating the system. The system isn't fair, but it's learnable. Make $1 million as a doctor, pay 50% in taxes. Make $1 million as an investor, pay 20% in taxes. Same $1 million, but half the taxes. Why? Because the tax code rewards investors and business owners. Real estate investors get even more tax breaks. The wealthy wrote these rules because they understand the game. You can be angry about it, or you can learn it and use it. Financial education is free now. YouTube, books, podcasts, Professor Chalkman's channel, there's no excuse for ignorance. The system benefits the financially educated. Which side do you want to be on? Number 6, stop chasing shiny objects. Building wealth is slow, boring, requires patience. So when you see crypto promising 1,000% gains, when you see make 6 figures in 6 weeks courses, When you see meme stocks doubling overnight, your brain screams, shortcut. Here's what happens. Some people get lucky. Most lose everything. I've been burned. You probably will too. But quick money schemes will delay your wealth building by years. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Number 7. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. I get panicked messages. Chalkman, my investments are down and I need money for groceries. You're doing it wrong. Investment money is not spending money. It's money you mentally write off for years, maybe decades. When you invest $1,000, pretend it's gone. Hopefully it grows to $10,000. But you can't touch it for daily expenses. Warren Buffett loses money sometimes. You will lose money. That's education. But if you're checking your portfolio daily, getting emotional about drops, you'll never build real wealth. Separate your money. Spending money over here, investment money over there. Never mix them. Number 8. Stop saving all your money. I grew up in a traditional household. We make $1, spend 20 cents. But most of them make $1, spend $2 on credit. Both are wrong. Yes, live below your means. But cash sitting in savings accounts is dying. Even high-yield savings at 4.5% barely beats inflation. Banks don't keep their money in savings accounts. They invest it by lending it out at higher rates. If banks won't keep money in savings, why should you? Comment below, what's your biggest money mistake from this list? I want to see who's really paying attention. Number 9, stop lifestyle inflation. You get a raise. You celebrate with a bigger apartment. You get a bonus. You reward yourself with a luxury vacation. You get promoted. You deserve that new car. This is the trap. Your income goes up, your spending goes up faster. Next time you get more money, invest the majority of it. Yes, celebrate a little, but don't inflate your lifestyle as fast as your income. Stop competing with Instagram. Stop trying to impress neighbors. Separate yourself from the comparison game for a few years and watch your wealth explode. Number 10, don't forget your bigger purpose. We're living in strange times. Record numbers on antidepressants. Record unhappiness. Record job dissatisfaction. The internet screams, make $100,000 or you're a failure. But 80% of the people make less than $100,000. Don't let social media warp your reality. Money matters. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. But so does your health, your relationships, your purpose. What gets you excited to wake up every day? What's your mission beyond just accumulating wealth? Yes, you'll make sacrifices building wealth. You might skip the gym, eat cheap food, say no to friends for a while, but don't sacrifice everything forever. Now for your homework, pick one of these 10 things and commit to changing it this week. Write it down, make it specific, then comment below with your commitment. Don't just watch and do nothing. That's what broke people do. The system is designed to keep you broke. But now you know the exits. You know the traps. You know the way out. The choice is yours. Stay comfortable and broke, or get uncomfortable and wealthy. This is Professor Chalkman. Class dismissed.